Guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to Lord's channel. Thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to cook. Today I want to be doing a quick yam porridge, and here's my yam. It's already cut, and I have it in the freezer for over 3 months. So I bought a lot of it, so I just dice it and put it in the freezer for such a time like this. So for my yam porridge, I will be needing dry fish, crayfish. I need one onion, a bay leaf, 1.5 tomato, palm oil, scotch bonnet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be using one of it, and one bell pepper, and my seasoning. So let's get into it. I'm going to be pouring my yam. It's already washed, and I'll be putting water in, just a little water. I'll cover it up. So I'm prepping my scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, onions, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm prepping for it now. So I'm going to rinse them. I'll put it in my blender. I'm not going to be blending them smooth. I just want to chop them up. I'm turning up my fire. I'll be pouring in my tomato mix. I'll put in my crayfish. I'm pouring my fish in. I'm going to be throwing in my bay leaf and allow it to simmer a while. So I'm going to be adding in my oil. So we're pouring our oil. We don't need a lot. So I'm going to be putting my seasoning too now. And you allow it to come to a boil. So we will leave it and allow it to get cooked.